Yeah, hold up. Come get it back in blood. That's what we on. Come get it back in blood. Yeah. Tell them SBM little boys, come get it back in blood. You know when I walk in the club, I don't need security in the club. Devo doing all that woofing, but he won't get it back in blood. You know it's 600 to the day I die. When I say it's up and it's stuck, why would I lie? When I catch that boy S4, send him to Allah. Them niggas from ATM say they got 100, but you know, they need to go on by. I can't wait to catch one of them SBM niggas. Wait, hold up, it's not even a time. You know I'm with the drillin', all about the crime. I would not trade none of my homies, not even for a dime.